This is a video about investing, my personal portfolio, my personal investing, what I'm doing. As you can see, I don't have a lot of money in this account because I'm barely starting, but basically I have about $659. I'm going to show you what I am actually buying and why I'm buying it and all that information basically. Now, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I personally am doing, what my goals are, why I'm basically buying these stocks. So let's actually jump into the video. As you can see, I have a $425 call. This call expires in January of 2024. And Ford had a massive run sometime last year when the whole electric vehicle madness was pretty much blowing up. And they're about down probably about 50% of what they were at one point. So what I ended up doing is I ended up buying a lead call so I can have enough flexibility. Like if I call in the lead call, you can see that I'm down 48%. Now theta is very, very low. Theta is actually what eats the contract. So the closer you get to the expiration date, the more the theta is going to increase and eat the premiums on your contract. For every dollar that my contract goes up or the price of the share goes up, you see delta, I gain $12 plus gamma, which is about another 3, maybe 4 cents. So I have plenty of time. I'm not too worried about it. If it goes a few dollars, I mean, I should be okay. I should be back on the green. So I have plenty of time. Then I have Apple shares. Apple has done amazingly well for the past so many years, since probably 2007, which is the release of the first Apple phone. It has been doing very well. If you had invested a lot of money, or not a lot of money, but if you started investing back in 2007 on Apple, I mean, you would have made a lot of money today. So that's my goal. I know that past performance, it doesn't mean that the stock is going to perform the same way in the future. But I believe Apple is a solid company. They are bringing in a lot of money, a lot of revenue. They're making really good profit, and they're sitting on a lot of cash, which is unusual for a lot of companies. So I believe Apple is going to continue to grow. For the year, it's actually up about 2%. You can see the massive growth on the 5-year is about 300% increase. So that's actually very, very good. Right now, I have almost 3 shares. I'm up 3.5% on Apple. So I'm going to continue to buy. Again, I believe in the company. So I believe we are going to do well. Now, Tesla is a bit, you guys, if you have been keeping an eye on the stock market, Tesla, it can drop, how it can grow drastically. And Tesla, over the last so many years, they have gone up a lot. I don't have a lot invested in Tesla. I only put in like $10 to see what it will do. As you can see, currently I'm down 16%. So if I would have put a ton of money on it, I would have had to average down. Now, if we look at Google is actually on, I believe, July 15th. So next week, I believe, they're going to do a stock split, 20-to-1 stock split. So you can see that the current price is $2,300. And it's actually going to divide that by 20. That's how you can tell how much the new price is going to be. I'm basically up at 1.8%. Not a whole lot. I only put in $10 on it, but I'm gonna potentially continue to buy some more. Same thing with Amazon, $10. I'm currently down 6.6%. Now the latest shares that I've purchased was ARCC or Aris Capital. Aris Capital, for what the research I did, it is a solid company. I'm up basically 0.5%. And if you go down to the analyst ratings, you can see that out of 14 analysts that looked at the stock and did some evaluation and everything, all of them are saying buy this stock. So this is a solid company. I wouldn't say I recommend it because again, I cannot give you any financial advice, but it has a great dividend yield, and that's my goal for buying Aries Capital and some of the other ones that I'm going to continue to buy in the coming weeks. But so far, this pays about, I believe it's about $2 per share. So $2 and a $19 investment a year. So because the $2 is for the whole year, it's actually not bad. The last share that I bought was today, this morning. I bought QYLD. Now QYLD, it pays good dividend, but for the past 5 years, so you can see here, it has not been performing well. So I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to buy some more. I'm going to see how it performs. If you bought 5 years ago, you would be down 25% roughly on your money. But buying right now, I think I should be okay. But the dividend on this is really, really good. So now this, I'm going to show you also another ETF that I'm going to actually start investing soon, and that is SCHD, or the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. This is a solid ETF. It pays a little over $2. Now for the year is down 2.9%, but for the 5-year chart, you can see that it's up 60%. This is a solid ETF that I'm going to continue to invest on. But so far, that's all I have for you guys to show you basically what I'm investing in. Actually, let me show you a little bit more. I bought some cryptocurrency, some SHIB. So you can see I own about 13 million SHIB, and I'm up 23%. So I may also start putting some more money into that. But this is it right now, what I have in my portfolio. If you would like to see more about my portfolio, how the progress is going, I encourage you to subscribe, comment, put your comments in the comment section. Anything else you would like to know, if you would like to show other videos about particular stock or things like that, I will be glad to do that. But thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and have a good day.